Yep. They're gonna say the same thing.
National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flash flood warning for Essex County in northern New York until 5 p.m. Sunday at 10:56 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rainfall capable of producing flash flooding. Small creeks and streams will quickly visit banks, culverts, bridges, and roadside ditches will be
Flash flood warning for Essex County in northern New York until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday at 10:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates.
Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Newcomb and Willsboro. If you encounter flooding, seek higher ground immediately. When you can do so safely, please report any flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report to weather.gov/Burlington. Stay away from floodwaters. Move to higher ground if you are threatened by flooding or are directed by emergency officials. Do not drive into areas where the water covers the roadway. The road may be washed away beneath the water surface, and it only takes a few inches of flowing water to carry away your vehicle. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Make the smart choice.
634279 or by submitting the storm report at weather.gov.
And immediate action must be taken to protect life and property.
Move to higher ground if you are threatened by